Hi guys, it's Dr. Neda here. I wanted to do a tutorial and a product review on a certain hair mask that I've been loving lately. It's a coconut oil hair mask and it's great for super thin hair. So I wanted to talk about the benefits of it, how to use it and what the cost is, and it'll be a pretty short video. Coconut oil is a great natural product for your hair. It helps to seal in moisture and make your hair shiny and also not make your hair too heavy. If you use actual coconut oil, which some people do, they'll actually buy coconut oil and unscrew it and use a tablespoon and put that in their hair. It can make your hair a little bit greasy. So you want to find that balance of your hair not being super greasy, but still being hydrated. I actually have tried different hair masks because even though I have very thin hair, it tends to get frizzy. So it's always finding that balance where your hair doesn't look really thin when it's weighed down from too much of a hair mask. Like, as you can see, my ponytail is super tiny. So I wanted something that still helped my hair look full, but also took away the flyaways. And I still have it a little bit, but I haven't put any product in my hair at all, except for that hair mask that I did in the shower. So the benefits again are just that it leaves your hair very shiny and conditioned, and also doesn't make it too oily. I'm loving right now the coconut oil hair mask from Trader Joe's. It's a shea butter and coconut oil hair mask. It's awesome. The ingredients are pretty natural, which I love about that too. It's mainly water, the coconut oil, and then it has shea oil benefits in it too. A lot of people also try other deep conditioners. I've tried other ones in the past as well, many times. I've used this brand quite a bit, that it's a 10. Honestly, it's about 5 times more expensive, and I didn't see any clear benefit to using just normal coconut oil, whether it be out of a jar or this one that I was reviewing from Trader Joe's, the coconut oil hair mask. And this one is just $5. So another benefit with it is that it doesn't weigh your hair down as much as coconut oil does. So I completely love that aspect of it. I just tie my hair up in the shower and then leave it as I'm washing. After I shampoo my hair, I'll clip it with the whole hair mask on it. I probably use about, I don't have very much hair, so I'd say quarter size amount. Leave it there for about 3 to 5 minutes while I'm doing everything else, and rinse it out really good, and you'll see how soft and shiny your hair feels. Even if you don't blow dry your hair, it actually still tames the frizz. Right now I feel that my hair is less frizzy than it usually is, and I haven't even put in any product. So I really love the product. I hope you check it out. If you notice with other oils like coconut oil and almond oil, it can weigh your hair down more if you just use it plain, but when it's in this hair mask, I absolutely loved it. And I have to say I love it more than even a deep conditioner, which I felt that the mask actually worked better. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.